My first day, I go in to do roofs. I did 10 roofs in an hour and a half.
I started my own business. I did pretty well.
And then we became international. I don't know what's next.
I tried this, tried that, tried everything.
I don't care how long you've been doing this. If you've been doing it for 6 months or 6 years, you should be using this line.
It's profit first. Every time you have a deposit, take your profit first.
You're going to learn processes that you normally wouldn't have implemented. And also, you're going to make relationships with people. You're going to build new networks.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Gave me some knowledge. I gave some knowledge to some other guys. To me, that's what these conferences are all about.
Speakers were really one of the main attractions that I look forward to every year at Roofing Conference.
When the job is sold, right, then it's time to have the conversation of how the money's going to work.
You want to quit there, man. We're going to hook you up.
Yes.
You actually have to love your clients. You have to actually do what's in their best interest.
Tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back. Won't you wait for me?
Entertainment at night was awesome. Food is amazing.
Coming right away, my dear.
You guys are doing great.
If you're interested in growing in the roofing industry, becoming a better contractor, and becoming a better business owner, you need to attend our next Roofing Process Conference in 2021.
As Dimitri was presenting, I was like, oh, for my next AA meeting, I got to use this line. If you have a drinking problem, don't drink tonight, wait till tomorrow. Appreciate that. Thank you.